Welcome to our channel Physics by IITians. Today we are in an audio call with the research scholar of IIT Indore. She is doing research in astrophysics in the area of astrophysics, radio astrophysics to be specific. And today, in the conversation of Shorna Chatterjee, we shall learn about the scopes of astrophysics and we shall gain some knowledge about the sky of research in the astrophysics. Okay, so welcome Shorna. Welcome to the channel.
Yeah, thank you very much, Swati.
Yeah, yeah, we actually many of our fans, many of our followers, many of our friends, they are actually very much eager to know about the research of about the astrophysics and the cosmology. And obviously that everyone in the physics background, they actually somehow they are fascinated with the space, with the stars and the birth of a stars, or the our destination finally. So I would like to first know that why you chose this topic as your PhD research.
Okay, so actually, for my case, I was from my childhood, I was uh, basically to start with, I was fascinated by night sky and stars, and so I wanted to study about stars. But that was the one thing, and as time passed by, I didn't lose my motivation, and my one and only goal was to do some research in astronomy and study astronomy. So that was I never thought about doing anything else other than astronomy.
Okay, okay. So can you tell me what are the current research institute that are that have the opportunity that offers the opportunity to pursue research in astrophysics or astronomy in India?
Yeah, there are lots of institutes. So IIA and IUCA, both
Okay.
are topmost institutes. And then in RRI also, that IIA is Indian Institute of Astrophysics. So then RRI also Raman Research Institute, and then
Aries.
yeah, Aries is there, and NCRA TIFR is there. IIT Indore offers is one
Hmm.
of the
Hmm.
institutes which I am doing
IIT
research from.
Indore, there is separately astronomy astrophysics department, right? In IIT
Our
Indore,
department
they're
is
totally dedicated
astrophysics.
department. Yeah.
Yes, yeah, that is totally dedicated to astronomy, astrophysics, and space engineering.
Okay.
So
Okay.
and
Wow.
yeah, then ISERs are also there. ISER Mohali and ISER Tirupati, and
Okay.
in either Kolkata also there is CESI, there is
Hmm.
Center for Excellence in Space Science. Yeah,
Okay.
so there are number of institutes,
Hmm.
good institutes.
Actually, students have to just find out and they should fill the form and just they pass the minimum criteria, then they can join their kind of interest.
Yeah,
Right.
basically all the institutes they fall from your net, GATE or JEST rank.
Hmm.
So you have to at first qualify one of those.
Hmm.
Then you can. PIFR has its own exam, PIFR and IUCA both.
Hmm.
And
Hmm.
in IIA also, in my time, there was another exam. But right now, if that is
Okay.
there, I'm not sure about. But IIA also conducts their own exam. They also take from GATE JEST and they also have their own exam.
Acha, one of our friends already asked that is this necessary to have knowledge, I mean like stars and all the things if he or she want to pursue research in astrophysics, because normally MSc or BSc physics we don't offer specialization like astrophysics or something more related to astrophysics or cosmology. Overall knowledge that we have is basically on classical mechanics, quantum mechanics, atomic physics. So you also know what I am trying to tell you. So is it necessary that if he or she, any student want to pursue research, that he or she need to gain some knowledge related to astrophysics, then he or she can, I mean, qualify the interview?
No, actually, to be honest, I didn't
Yes.
have any background. I mean,
Hmm.
in my BSc or in my master's course, I didn't have any subject which taught me astronomy or astrophysics. Nothing.
Yes.
It was
Yes.
I had only one subject which included nuclear astrophysics, that is high energy astrophysics, and that was a minor course, and that was also very little part of that course. I mean, so I had no background. I really had no background, and they don't ask you about specifically about astronomy, astrophysics also. But what I did, I studied it on my own, but there
Hmm.
was no I no one ever taught me before I joined
Okay.
PhD. No, I didn't have any professional guide who taught me astronomy. I just read
Okay.
uh,
They
because
basically
I
ask you from basic physics question, which you have studied during your BSc MSc level.
yeah, but actually in my case, what happened is actually that question I also had that they would ask about astronomy, and because I didn't have any background, so
Hmm.
I read it myself. I thought I would tell them that no, I have studied myself. So actually, what happened in my most of my interviews, I told them
Hmm.
that I have studied it on my own. So they asked me from specifically from basics of astronomy. But during interview, I also asked other students that what they asked them. But they
Hmm.
also won't specifically ask you about astronomy. They give you choice that what is your choice. Like all the other institutes and all
Hmm.
the other fields
Hmm.
also, they give you choice that if you choose quantum mechanics or mathematical physics or anything, they would
Hmm.
ask you from that field.
Okay. Can you recommend some books, basic books that you have read or you think that students should read if they want to pursue research in this field?
Yeah, actually, I read Astrophysics for Physicists by Arnav Rajaduri, and that is a
Okay.
very good. That is a very and another book I read that was by Dan Maus, and I don't remember the name actually, but I read those two books, and it's really very hard to read a book on your own.
Okay.
So,
Okay. Okay.
but Astrophysics and Physics for Physicists is by Arnav Rajaduri is really a good book. So you can, and the
Okay.
PDF is also available, so you can go for
So, friends, please note down the name of the book, Astrophysics by Arnab Roy Choudhury. You can
it.
read this
Astrophysics for
book.
Physicists.
Okay. So, you
Astrophysics
can read. Okay. Okay. So, can you tell me the current research trends about this field or what you are doing? I mean, the overall schematic, some description of the field.
Yeah, actually, in astronomy, basically there are lots of other things than stars. I only read about stars, their formation, and these things before joining to PhD. But now
Hmm.
I work on galaxy clusters. Basically, stars makes galaxy, and then number of galaxies makes galaxy clusters. So
Hmm.
now I am working on galaxy clusters, and I am doing my research on radio astronomy. So astronomy is basically a research on the all the wavelength band of electromagnetic spectrum, and it lies from gamma ray to radio. And so in
Yes.
astronomy, in all wavelength band, you can do your research from gamma ray, X-ray, and microwave. Gamma ray, X-ray, then UV, then visible length, then infrared, microwave, and then radio. So I am doing my research on radio astronomy, and in IIT Indore, radio astronomy is there, and X-ray and gamma ray astronomy is also there. So we can a student can do any of them if he or she wants to join, depending on obviously who under
Yes.
whom he
Yes.
or she
Yes.
has. Yeah. So and so these are the fields. There are optical astronomy also. Navy is optical astronomy is done, and lots of other institutes also. So and what I mean, sorry, I forgot what was your question.
Yeah, I was just, that is the thing that what are the current research in this field? Yeah.
So in radio, I can tell that in radio, what we do is I am studying galaxy clusters in radio, so they can be studied in X-ray also, and there are astrophysical jets. So lots of people study about them also, astrophysical jets, and there are neutron stars, pulsars. So there are huge number of objects in our sky, and so you have lots of options to study from them.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, okay, okay. We get some idea about the research scenario of astronomy, astrophysics, that is radio astrophysics, gamma astrophysics, X-ray astronomy. So all the things that they will depend on the particular wavelength or range of your observation.
Yes,
So
actually, you
this,
have to.
yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that
so
depends
I
on.
think this our friends can understand that what they should do if they want to pursue research in astrophysics or the area of astronomy, and what are the institute they require to fill the form and apply for their PhD. Thank you so much, Orna, for giving your
Oh,
valuable time.
I
Yeah,
want
also
to.
you can share with your other friends your video so that they also get some knowledge about your field and area of interest. And thank
Yeah.
you so much. Okay.
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay, okay, okay. Bye bye.
Yeah, bye.